Student, today we are going to learn the new chapter, one new session for the new session also. That is called the cell, the structure, the unit of life. The unit. What is unit of life? You know, to making a multi-storied building, what we need, that is need a brick. One by one, to adding or joining one brick, making a multi-storied building. Like this, we are making, we are making a multi-storied building. Like that, all the living and the non-living organisms, that living and non-living organisms, you can say living organisms are made up of one cell. One cell. They are making a big or a perfect step of a living organism. That is called cell. That means we can say cell is a structural and functional unit of a living organism. Structural and functional functional unit. Why it is called structural unit? Because structure, the structure, it is your hand, the structure of our hand, structure of our face, all the things made up of cell. Without cell, the organ cannot be made. Function, I am talking, I am running, I am lighting with my hand, all with my different organs, and that organ, that is function, that is made by of our organ, and the organ is made up of cell. So we can say the cell is the basic or fundamental structural and functional unit of a living organisms. Like that, we can say all living organisms starting from a single cell. All living organisms starting from a single cell, and that cell is known as zygote. That cell is known as zygote. With the help of the zygote, the multicellular organisms are made up of. So now we are going to know about the discovery. The discovery of cell. The scientist Robert Hooke discovered the cell. Scientist Robert Hooke discovered the cell. Only that only. And he has discovered the cell that was not the living cell. That one the dead cell. That one the dead cell. He has discovered that cell with a quark. From a quark. The quark, and quark is a dead cell. So he has discovered with cell we cannot see in our naked eye. We cannot see the cell in our naked eye. For that we need one microscope. With the help of the microscope we can see the cell. And scientist Robert Hooke first discovered the microscope. That is a very simple microscope, and with the help of the simple microscope he has discovered cell, and that one not only dead, that is a dead cells. Now, cell size. There are different sizes of a cell. Smallest cell, the bacteria cell. RBC cells is our human body, or that is a very smallest cell. Largest cell, the ostrich egg, and longest cell in human body, that is the nerve cell or nerve tissue, or nerve cells. Nerve cell is neuron. Okay. Now, cell theory. Cell theory first proposed by three scientists. The three scientists are Sladen, Swan and Virchow. Sladen, Swan and Virchow. They have told, number one, cell theory, all living organisms made up of cell. Very, very important. All living organisms is made up of cell. Number two, cell is the smallest structural unit of living organism. Smallest structural unit of a living organism. Very smallest structural unit. Number three, cell is the fundamental functional unit of living organism. Fundamental functional unit of living organism. Number three and number four is very important. All cells arises from pre-existing cells. All cells are arising from pre-existing cells. What do you mean by pre-existing cells? Pre-existing cell means, at first I have told zygote. So zygote, with the help of zygote, the multicellular organisms are formed. And these multicellular organisms, like that, I have the son and daughter. They are coming from the pre-existing, that is father and mother. So, for the father and mother, the son and daughter, they are coming from. The zygote, they are coming from the different organ, different cells. So from one cell, two cells are formed. From one cell, two cells are formed. So that means these two cells coming from this one cell. So we can say all cells coming from the pre-existing cells. So what they have told, number one what? All the living organisms is made up of cells. Number two, structural unit. Number three, functional unit. And number four, that is arises from the pre-existing cells. It's very important. Cell theory is very important. Now, next, cell number. Cell number. If one number of cell is there, one cell, that is called unicellular. Like, amoeba. One cell only. If that one cell only function is it's all the function we are doing, all the function like excretion, circulation, respiration, all the functions are functioned by one cell only, that is unicellular organisms. Number two, multicellular. Multicellular means more than one or two cells. You know, we are the multicellular animals. Very good. Now, cell size and cell shape. Cell shape. There are different types of cell shape. Human blood cell, RBC cell. RBC, what kind of cell? Biconcave or cellular cell. Biconcave or cellular. WBC cell. WBC, that is amoeboid cell. Means nerve cells, the very longitudinal cells. Like that, cell shapes are there. Now, we are going to discuss the cell. At first, cell, there are three types. Three parts are there. What are the parts? Protoplasm. Number two, cell membrane. And number three, cell wall. This is only for plant cell. Remember, very much. This is only for plant cell, and this is plant and animal both. Protoplasms are two types: nucleus and cytoplasm. So, cell, that means three parts: protoplasm, cell membrane, cell wall in place of plant cell. And protoplasm two types: one nucleus, another one cytoplasm. So today only up to this. Later on we will discuss in the next class.